How to make your current city private on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make your current city private on Facebook mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings, and now go down again and you will find here profile information. Click on it and then click this one, new town or your city. Click this pen here and then click this one, and all you need to do, just select only me, or if you want just your friends, and then click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and see you in the next video.